what's up? Angelica here. Just chilling. Sorry, I'm climbing rocks right now. Me and my little siblings are just hanging out here in Paseo, and it's a really sunny and, as you can tell, windy day by my hair.
Whoa.
And yeah, that was time. So we're just like spending time climbing rocks and stuff. See, wait. Okay, that's cool. And
Hi.
okay, so we are climbing these rocks. Hi. And I want to go all the way out there.
And that man is
And
that
there
man
is our. We have a lot of,
and that man over there is going crazy.
No, not crazy. Well, kind of. So we have a lot of homeless people hanging around Paseo, Gania, and right now there's a homeless dude over there, and he's getting ready to surf or something. I don't know. But he always carries a boogie board around with him. So I'm actually kind of waiting here to see what he's gonna do. And I don't want to make it obvious that I'm recording him, but I probably already did because there's another person like further behind us. Anyway, the water is like, it doesn't look like much right now, but it's really, like if you get in, it's really windy, like rough. Like it's splashing up right now, so I'm staying away. I don't want to get my camera wet. Oh.
Okay.
Hi, Mom. So that's my mommy. Hi, Mommy. So yeah, we're just relaxing and oh, look at my hair. My hair's all messy. So yeah, just like wanted to share my beautiful windy day. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.